Welcome to the AG Metals YouTube channel. Today we're comparing XRF and XRD, two powerful analytical techniques that use X-rays but answer completely different questions. Let's look at the 5 key differences. Difference number 1. What do they measure? XRF tells you what elements are inside a material: gold, silver, copper, iron, platinum. XRD tells you how those atoms are arranged inside the material: composition versus structure. Difference number 2. The question. Think of a house. XRF asks, what is the house made of? XRD asks, how was the house built? Same materials, different design. Difference number 3. Where do they use? XRF is the workhorse of industry. It is widely used for alloy identification, precious metals, recycling, quality control, scrap sorting. XRD is mainly used in laboratories for crystal structure, phase identification, minerals, ceramics, battery materials, and research. Difference number 4. Speed. XRF delivers results in seconds. Many analyzers are handheld and can be used directly in the field. XRD is slower. It usually requires laboratory equipment and sample preparation, but provides much deeper structural information. Difference number 5. The biggest difference. Imagine 2 metal samples with exactly the same chemistry. XRF may report identical results, but after heat treatment, their crystal structures can be completely different. Only XRD can reveal that difference. The easiest way to remember it is this. XRF tells you what a material is made of. XRD tells you how that material is built. These technologies don't compete, they complement each other. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. For more practical insights on precious metals, recycling, and material analysis, visit AG Metals. See you in the next video.